English Learners Podcast. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Emily, and welcome back to our cozy little corner of the internet. Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome to the grand finale and final session of your Shadowing English Speaking Practice 5-Day English Speaking Challenge to speak fluently. Take a second to let that sink in. Whether you started all the way back with our Day 1 English Speaking Challenge or you hopped in midweek and pushed through every single day, you made it this far. Wow. Seriously? How are you feeling right now? I bet you're feeling proud, maybe even a little emotional, and honestly, you should be. You showed up when it was hard. You spoke up when your inner critic told you to stay quiet. And most importantly, you didn't give up on yourself. And me, I've loved every single minute of teaching you, recording this podcast, and sharing this vulnerable, exciting journey together. So tell me, where in the world are you tuning in from today? Are you practicing from India, Vietnam, Japan, Turkey, or maybe somewhere else across the globe? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love connecting with you. And hey, what's your native language? Your very first language? Someday I would love to travel, visit your hometown, and maybe you can teach me a few words over a cup of coffee. Wouldn't that be amazing? Now, let's be real for a moment. How is your shadowing English speaking practice actually going? I know in the beginning it might have felt slow, awkward, and maybe even a little frustrating. We all get that moment where our tongue trips over a syllable and we want to roll our eyes. But trust me on this, your brain is rewiring, your mouth muscles are adapting, and your confidence is blooming. Speaking English fluently takes time, patience, and grace, but you are literally doing it right now. With regular practice, you will train your voice to speak naturally and speak fluent English without overthinking or hesitation. You can truly do this, and I'm right here beside you every step of the way. Have you faced any tricky words or mental hurdles during this speaking challenge? Tell me in the comments below. I read every message, and I'm always here to cheer you on and help you out. So take a deep breath. Are you ready for today's final session of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice? Speak Fluently 5-Day English Speaking Challenge? Yes? Amazing. But before we dive in, I need you to make me one pinky promise. Promise me you won't stop showing up after today. You've built this beautiful momentum, and today is only the beginning of your fluency story. Deal? Awesome. Let's do this together. The instructions are super simple and stress-free. You'll listen, feel the rhythm, and repeat right after me. Pause the video whenever you need extra time to breathe. We're going to take it slow and steady. I'll say each sentence 3 times so you can lock in the melody and speak naturally. And remember, if I ever go too fast, let me know in the comments. This space is built entirely for you. Also, don't forget, if you miss day 1, 2, 3, or 4, the links are waiting in the description so you can binge practice anytime. Each day builds on the last, so revisiting previous sessions is the secret sauce to long-term fluency. Now, get comfy, grab your favorite notebook, maybe a warm cup of tea or iced coffee, shake off any tension in your shoulders, and get ready to speak with me. Day 5 begins right now. Let's make every word count. Today, we will practice 15 empowering sentences together. 0 stress, just pure progress. We'll take it step by step. Just listen carefully, trust your voice, and repeat after me. I'll say each sentence 3 times. Ready? Awesome. Let's go. Listen and repeat. I am learning, growing, and becoming more confident every day. I am learning, growing, and becoming more confident every day. I am learning, growing, and becoming more confident every day. Amazing! Let's try sentence 2 together. Every small step I take brings me closer to fluency. Every small step I take brings me closer to fluency. Every small step I take brings me... Mistakes are just signs that I am learning something new. Mistakes are just signs that I am learning something new. Mistakes are just signs that I am learning something new. I show up for myself, even on hard days. I show up for myself, even on hard days. I show up for myself, even on hard days. Awesome! Let's keep this energy going. Every time I speak, I become more fluent and free. Every time I speak, I become more fluent and free. Every time I speak, I become more fluent and free. Don't be shy. Speak out loud so your room hears your power. My efforts today are building my future tomorrow. My efforts today are building my future tomorrow. My efforts today are building my future tomorrow. I trust the process. I am becoming a confident speaker. I trust the process. I am becoming a confident speaker. I am building a strong foundation, one word at a time. I am excited to speak in English. I am excited to speak in English. I am excited to speak in English. Brilliant! Let's deliver our very last sentence for today with pure pride. English is not just a language. It's a door to my dreams. English is not just a language. It's a door to my dreams. Incredible job! Look at what you just did. You've just completed 15 powerful shadowing sentences today. And even more importantly, you have officially completed all 5 days of this Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. Give yourself a round of applause. What a huge achievement. Take a deep breath, smile, and truly feel proud of how far you've come, because Emily is so genuinely proud of you. Remember, this isn't the finish line. It's your... And hey, if this challenge helped you find your voice, hit that like button. Share this with a friend who needs a confidence boost, and subscribe to our family so we never lose touch. Until next time, keep smiling, keep practicing, and always remember, you've got this, and I'm so grateful to walk this journey with you. See you really soon.